Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to make our EAT module in PFMS account green or active. First of all, I'll explain you the help file of this here. This is the help file. Here in this first section you'll see how to verify previous year's data entry. I'm skipping that. Now this is the data entry we have to do this year. These three steps. Here only if our account is green we will be able to receive fund from NSSL. So if your account is red or inactive, skip the step 1 and do step 2 and step 3. Once you do the step 2 and step 3, within 2 or 3 days your account will become green, and after that you'll receive the fund from NSSL and you can complete the rest of the data entry. Okay, first, since our account is red, I'm skipping this step 1, that is receive from NSSL, and going to enter loan section. Okay, for that we have to log in as data operator. For that I'm selecting the browser, give pfms.nic.in and click enter. You'll get the screen. Click login here and select the financial year for which you are entering the data. Next, enter the data operator user here and the data operator username here and click login. Now for entering the loan, you have to go to my funds, income from other sources, add new. My funds, income from other sources, click add new. Here in bank account, select cash, then fund sources, click loan 1, fund type, loan advances. Funds received from give principal or your name if whoever is advancing the amount. In reference number, give the reference number. Okay, I have given the reference number. Then select a date in June 20. I am selecting date 10/6/2020, and then here payment mode, select cash, then favoring of NSS unit, amount give 18,500, because for this year we are only getting 3,500 from NSS cell, and the rest of the amount has to be given as loan here. Narration, give loan for NSS activities and click submit. Click here OK. Next you have to send it for approval. For that again go to my funds, go to income from other sources, click manage. Here select the bank account as cash here, then click search. You'll see this, the 18,500 amount here. Click this scheme which is in red color, and here you can just verify it again, then click submit for approval. Now it has been submitted for approval. Now you have to log in as log out this and log in as data approver. Give the data approver username and password here and click. Every time remember to select the financial year for which you are entering. Select 2020-2021 here. Click login. Then in this go to my fund, income from other sources, manage. Here bank account, select cash, click search. and you will see the 18,500 loan amount here. Click this and click approve, click confirm. Now your loan amount has been approved, and now you can start expenditure data entry. For that, again log out and select login using data operator. Select the financial year. Here give data operator. Here for entering expenditure, go to expenditure, click add new. Here select bank account as cash because our loan has been entered as cash. Now we can enter the expenditures as cash here. Then here select expenditure done for vendors. Then here give the select vendor and select the PO's account here. Here give the order number. Here select a date in June 2020. I'm giving here 17 June 2020. Then actual transaction date again June. I'm giving 18 here. Then the amount I enter, I'd like to enter the amount here as 4,500. In this narration section, give the narration as expenditure in connection with regular activities 1 to 5. Then here click select scheme and select other charges here. Then click revenue here, give the percentage as 100. Then click add. Scroll down, then click the save button. Here click OK. Then scroll down and you'll see expenditure details saved successfully. Do you want to proceed with payee details? Click yes. Scroll down, here select instrument type as cash, then amount the same amount as we have given here 4,500. The date, you give the next date of what we have entered earlier, June. I'm giving 19 here. Then click confirm. Then again scroll down and click submit for approval. Now either you can log in as data approver user and approve this. Now I'd like to continue with the rest of the data entry. We have 18,500. Now we have applied loan, and I can enter the first 4 data entries now, and I would like to leave this 4,800 now. And once the amount from NSSL reaches the PFMS account, I'll be able to enter this 4,800, the last entry also. So I'd like to enter the all the 4 accounts, 4 expenditures here. Then so again I'm selecting expenditures, add new, bank account as cash, vendors, I give the letter number here. I'm selecting a date in 2020 September. I'm giving 9 September. Here I'm giving the next day of that, September 10. I'm giving here an amount 4,200, and the narration expenditure in connection with regular activities 6 to 10. Then here select other charges, click revenue, give 100%, click add, scroll down, click save, click OK, then scroll down and click yes. Then again scroll down, here give the same amount 4200, give a date in 2020 September. I give 11 here, the next date of what we entered earlier, then click confirm, again scroll down and submit for approval. Now again do the third entry, expenditures, add new, here bank account cash, expenditure done for vendors, select vendor, enter the letter number there, then select a date in December 2020, giving second in this, give the next date, give the amount here 4300, narration I'm giving as activities 11 to 15, select scheme, click other charges, click revenue 100, click add, scroll down, click save, click OK, scroll down, click yes, scroll down, give the same amount here 4300, select a date next to the date which we have entered earlier, 3 I'm giving here, and click confirm. Again I'd like to do the fourth entry, expenditure, add new, bank account cash, expenditure I'm giving vendors, select vendor, give the letter number here, select a date in February 21, again 10th February 21, here give 11th February 21, give the amount here, I'm giving 4200, give the narration here, select scheme, click other charges, click revenue, percentage 100, click add, scroll down, click save, click OK, scroll down and click yes, scroll down, give the amount here 4200, select the date, next date of what we have given there, I gave 12 to 21, click confirm, again scroll down, submit for. Now I have completed 4 entries which I could do less than 18,500, and now I am logging out and login as data approver user. Here select financial year, DA data approver user, then go to expenditure, click approve, here select cash, then click search. Okay, you will see all this 4 entries here, number 1, number 2, 3 and 4. Now you can approve one by one. First I'm selecting this, click approve. Here you can give a remark. Now I'm giving as approved. Again I went back, just click search. You see only in the submitter status only 3 are there now. I clicked the second one, click approve or reject. Approved. Click back, click search. You'll see the rest. Click on the red. Give approved, then click back, search, approve or reject, give approved, click approved. Now I'm going back. If you give search, you will not see anything here. If you change the status here to approved and click search, you will see the 4 items here. See, this total of this should be 22,000 minus 4,800. The amount here should be equal to 22,000 minus 4,800 because we have not entered the last one. uh, Including that, it should be 22,000. Okay, you have to schedule the amount or split the amount accordingly. Okay, now in a day or so you will see your EAT module is green. There is one more video to check how to see whether your account is green or red, or it is whether it is active or inactive. Okay, thank you all.